my channel. My name is Tiara. I am a loan officer and I work at a credit union. I am a back office lender for our local credit union. I do loans, I do personal loans, credit cards, refinance auto loans, new auto loan purchases for members who go to dealerships. I do mortgage applications, home equity loans. I just take in the application for the mortgages. I don't process them from start to finish. But I vlog my life, and my main content is kind of centered around working 9 to 5. I do work from home 4 days a week, and I go into the office 1 day a week. I go to the office on Wednesdays. Today is Thursday, January the 5th, so it's my official first video of the year, my first 9 to 5 vlog of the year. And I'm so happy that you guys are here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like my channel, and please subscribe if you like this type of content. I do occasionally vlog my weekends. I just kind of vlog my life, right? Like working 9 to 5, and then, you know, working out, and then just like outside, just life outside of work as well. And right now it's Thursday. I'm actually working till 6. I hope you guys enjoy my channel. And this year 2022, I have a couple of plans. So during this work from home vlog, I'll kind of go over some of my plans for the year 2023 this year, and just some of the things that I plan on doing, and kind of like some goals and, you know, things I want to reach. We are going on vacation soon. I do live with my boyfriend. I live in Florida, and I live more North Florida in Volusia County. And my birthday is coming up. It is January the 22nd, and we are planning on going on a cruise. And we're actually probably going to end up booking the cruise tonight, because it's already like January the 5th, so we kind of have to hurry up and book it, or it's going to be more as the days go on. And we are actually going on the Royal Caribbean cruise line. We've never been on that cruise line. We both have cruised before on Royal Caribbean. I mean, on the Carnival multiple times, but this will be your first time going on Royal Caribbean. So if you guys have been on the Royal Caribbean, let me know if there's any like specialty food places we should eat at. We've been on a cruise, so we kind of know how it is. We are going to the Bahamas. We're going to Nassau, Bahamas, if I pronounce that correctly, and then the Coco Cay, Bahamas. So I'm so excited for that. It's just like a quick weekend, 3-day cruise, just to kind of get away for a little bit and just enjoy our time. So yes, and that's just kind of what's happening now. You can kind of see behind me, this is some of my Christmas decor that I put away a couple days ago, but I have to organize this closet. If you guys have watched my channel before, you know that I work from home and I have my own home office, and I'll put a link up for that particular vlog. But that closet is like a mess, and it's like our storage closet, and I'll just be reorganizing that probably this weekend. I'm just kind of fixing a couple things in there so I can add in the Christmas decor bins. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It's going to be a work from home vlog. I am not vlogging my afternoon on this vlog, but you know, I do occasionally vlog like my full day of working as well as the afternoons. Right now it's about 11:30. I just made some iced coffee. I had breakfast kind of late this morning, but I had a bagel this morning with whipped cream cheese, and then everything with the bagel seasoning on top. And then I made me this really good iced coffee, you guys, which you guys saw. But I usually head to lunch around 12:45, so I have about an hour until I have to go to lunch. Today is kind of like a slow day. I don't know, like lately we've been super slow today, super slow. And my individual goal per month is to bring in $200,000 per month for the credit union. And then the 6 of us that work in the lending center is responsible for bringing in $1.5 million per month for the credit union, which sounds like a lot, but we hit that goal every single month. It's been a struggle lately, just with the rates increasing on auto loans and mortgages and stuff like that. But, you know, we end up hitting it every single month. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. If you have any video requests, please let me know. I will put a link down to my Instagram account and you guys can DM me over there. Let's go ahead and get started with the workday. I am working until 6 today. On Thursdays and Fridays, we're open till 6. So let's get started with the workday, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not really filming the conversations that I have with members. I kind of did that in some of my past videos, and I kind of decided to stop doing that just because I am going like more in depth with the members, and I just don't want anything exposed as far as like the members' account number, even though I think I did a very good job editing that type of video. But the phone call that I just took, that was a member who called into the lending center. He wanted to apply for a personal line of credit, which is like a revolving line of credit, and it almost looks like a credit card, except for there's no card associated with it. You just transfer the money from your available line of credit over to your checking or savings account. You make monthly payments, and then a portion of it is released back to you as an available credit per month. So with him, his only form of income is his business that he owns. He is in real estate, but he also owns his business, which is the majority of his income. In order to qualify for a loan, and if you're using your real estate, if you're using your own business as your only form of income, you do have to be in business for at least 2 years to qualify for income, because we have to go by your 2 years of tax returns to know what your annual income is per year. Because when you're starting a business, it can either flop in a year or it can continue to grow within the next year or two. So that's kind of why we use the 2 years of tax returns. He has not been in business for 2 years. He's only been in business for less than a year. However, his last application we did for him, like July of last year, we used that income. So I just went ahead and did an application for him just to see if we can get it approved again. It's for a $20,000 personal line of credit. I'm gonna go ahead and send his application up to underwriting team. So for me, whenever I do loan applications and and I know for a fact that I want this loan approved, I think he has made good payments on his current loans that he has with us, I'm gonna go ahead and write down my notes on a piece of paper, and I can transfer my notes over to the comment section for underwriting team. So this member, he's only been with us for 1 year, but he has a current personal loan with us and an auto loan that he's been making really good on-time payments with. All of his credit cards and his auto loans on his credit report that he previously had has a really good payment history. And then he also has another loan that's a similar trait line, meaning that he has an unsecured personal loan around the amount that he's trying to get now. So we know that he kind of qualifies for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and send his application up to underwriting team, and then we'll go to lunch. $12:50, and I just got to lunch. I get a 30-minute lunch and 2 15-minute breaks. I've already taken one of my breaks earlier, and now I'm on lunch. So for lunch, I am having a sandwich. I'm gonna make like a sandwich melt kind of thing, and then I'm also gonna make a salad. So I got my bread there. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see. I got my bread here. We actually keep our bread frozen so it doesn't go bad at all. We can keep it in the freezer for a while. But I have some Havarti cheese and then some turkey, and I got some roast beef. So going to make that into a sandwich. Have my sandwich cooking on the stove, and I'm just gonna make a little side salad. So while I make my salad, I'm gonna talk to you guys about some of my goals for this year. I have to pull my sandwich out because it's done now. But while I'm just chopping up like a small little salad here, I kind of wanted to let you guys know some of my goals for the year 2022. And, oh, I gotta cut up a little small onion. So, it is January the 5th today. My birthday is coming up, as I kind of told you guys earlier. And we're actually going on a cruise. We have to book that tonight though. But we're going on a cruise. We're going on the Royal Caribbean. And I'm super excited because we've never been on the Royal Caribbean before. So that's kind of like one of the things we have going on this year. He is starting his business this year. He is doing a car wrapping business. So he's gonna be wrapping cars. So that's exciting. He actually already purchased all of the materials for the business. So it's just a matter of starting it really, which he kind of already did, but start in the middle of starting it now. And then we're also planning on purchasing a home. We're actually actively looking for a home to purchase. We have not found one yet. So that's happening. But one of my goals is to pay off my car. I have about $5,000 left on my car, and I've been trying to like double up on my car payments. So I'm hoping to get that paid off by the summertime or before the summer. And once that's paid off, you guys, I'm gonna buy a jet ski. I want a jet ski. I've always wanted a jet ski. And since we all have a home, we have a place to put the jet ski and everything, but I'm not gonna purchase the jet ski until I pay off my car. Let's see, what else is there? So there's that. And I do wanna invest. I'm thinking about purchasing an RV and Airbnb-ing that out. So I've seen a couple of RV communities like close to the beach where basically the beach is the backyard. And I know that will bring in a lot of income and just some like additional income, but just like as an investment really, as like a business, you know. I thought that would be pretty cool, and that will basically pay for itself. But those are some of the things that, you know, I have planned on this year, as well as some other vacations I kind of want to go on. But anyways, I just finished let me show you guys. I just finished making my lunch. I made I showed you guys a little sandwich I made and just a little side salad. Yeah. Delicious. And my salad, I chopped up some onions, and then I also put some crispy onions and some ranch and a little bit of Italian dressing. That's it. I don't have any tomatoes, cucumbers, or anything like that. But it is all good, just like that. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, and then we're gonna get back to working. I am working along here. It is almost 2 o'clock and I just took a couple calls. The last call that I just got on, this member called in and he has a personal loan with us here already and he wanted to add $1,500 to his personal loan. So basically he wanted to refinance it. In that case, we have to do an application. We do have to re-pull credit and then we send it up to underwriting team for a loan decision because they still do have to qualify to add any funds based on what their current financial situation is. So that's what we have to pull credit. So yeah, there's that one. And then the other loan that I think I told you guys about earlier where the guy, he has like his own business and he wanted to apply for a $20,000 line of credit. He actually was counter offered and they only offered him $3,500 just based on a couple things on his credit report. But so there's that one. And then one call that I also just had was a member called in because he has auto pay set up on his auto loan, and for some reason his payment is like $245, but for some reason this payment that's coming out in about 2 days says it's only going to take $81 out instead of the normal payment of $245. So I kind of explained to him that it looks like, you know, within the past couple months or past year they've been making a couple extra payments. So it just kind of like caught up and they don't have a full payment due this month. So he was kind of happy about that, but those are just some of the calls I had coming in. I do have one loan closing today. I helped a member get an increase on her credit card. So her new credit limit now is $20,000 and she is going into a branch location to sign her document. So I set her up with an appointment at one of our local branches. But other than that, there's really not too much going on today, you guys. It's kind of a slow day as expected again. I do have a $45,000 loan closing. It should be closing, if not today, then tomorrow. One of my members that I got approved for a car loan, they went to the dealership and it went through our indirects department. So that actually should be closing today. And yeah, there's not really much happening. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what I do Monday through Friday as a lending officer working for a credit union. I've been in banking for 7 years. I worked for various credit unions, local banks. My first job was at Wells Fargo, and I just kind of worked my way up from being a teller and some other positions I've had within the credit union and bank. So yes, that's a little bit of my background there. And although I just want to let you guys know that sandwich and salad I had for lunch was bomb. I think for my snack or my next snack I may end up making like a fruit smoothie, but I definitely know for my last break of the day I'm gonna go outside and go for a walk, but we're gonna continue and keep working. Okay. Can you spell your first name for me, please? So that call was a pretty short call. It was just a member calling in to speak with another one of the lenders that I work alongside. She's helping him with the loan application. So I messaged her to see if she's available for him. And then I got him transferred over to her. So that was that call. I'm gonna go ahead and continue working. Okay, you guys, so it is 5:30 and I have about 30 minutes left and it's been a long day. I've been dealing with this member who is deaf. So she had an interpreter call in and I did a loan application over the phone. I've never had to deal with that before. I've never done anything like that before over the phone as far as like applying for a loan. So I had to get my supervisor involved, and then there was a problem with something on her credit report and like a fraud alert and everything. So I had to deal with that. And then one of my loans that I did earlier was turned down. The underwriting team did not approve it. But I went outside on my break and it's 5:30 right now. It's almost dark outside and I think I'm going to do a workout after work today. I wasn't going to. Wednesdays and Thursdays are my rest days, but I'm not really sore anymore, so I think I'm gonna do like a Pilates workout or something after work. But anyways, I'm actually at my desk here. So I have this, I actually bought this from Ross. It's like a lap desk and you can put your laptop on it. And what I did was I raised up my 2 monitors here. That way I'm at like eye level because I'm kind of short. So it works out perfect for me to just raise it up. And then I put my keyboard on this so it acts like a rising desk. And I'm gonna stand for the last 30 minutes of the workday. Sometimes I do like to stand up because it just keeps my blood flowing and it makes me not so tired. So I usually just like to stand for the last part of the day. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Today I'm feeling like I need to get in a little bit more movement. So I'm gonna stand up the rest of the workday and we're gonna continue to work. I'm actually going to call a member back because I have to tell that guy that he was counter offered. He applied for 20,000. They counter offered him at 3,500. That's the only thing that they're willing to do. So, which kind of sucks because he also has a personal loan with us and they're not approving him for a personal loan and a personal line of credit, so we have to use some of those funds to pay off the personal loan. So I'm gonna call him back to see if that's something that he wants to accept or he wants to go ahead and withdraw the application. It is 5:50 and I'm going to end the vlog here. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys my work from home outfit. I have on this long sleeve, just like a really cozy, comfortable sweater. It has a cute butterfly. I also just have on these like green leggings. So yeah, I am just working away here. I still have my candle burning, you guys. This candle has been burning, sorry about the lighting, it's starting to get dark, but this candle has been burning ever since this morning. And I can't really smell it. I got this from Ross and it's just like not smelling very good. But like I said, it's been like an off day just because it's been super slow today, so I haven't really shown much, but this is like a typical day. Sometimes we're busy, sometimes we're slow. There's like no guarantee per day. And that's just the type of day it was. I didn't really film a lot of my breaks or like my morning routine or anything after work, just strictly like my work day. So if you guys are interested in those type of videos, I do have some of those on my YouTube channel. Some of the previous videos. I will be doing like a new office tour video maybe sometime the next couple of months. But yeah, let me show you guys my plants. I have this plant that I have tried to bring back to life, and I think I did. I had to repot that, so we just got it back from, we just got the pot from Home Depot, and I'm trying to repot that plant. And let me bring the light over here. I also have this plant here. This is a string of pearls, and you can see that it's really growing really well. I also repotted this and got a new pot for that because it was just like in a tiny little pot. Anyways, I am going to end the vlog here because I only have like 5 minutes left to work, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any video requests, just please let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, take care.